to attach a hole saw into your Makita cordless drill. Now, if you only have this little saw section, you do need this bit here. It should come as a kit, but you can buy this section separately also. So the first thing you want to do is this nut on the back here is untighten it, so we can see the shape here. It matches exactly this shape like this. So you want to put it in, and you want to make sure it goes all the way in. There's no gap like that, so it comes through the other end. It's a bit finicky, but make sure you push it all the way in. See, that's now touching the bottom. See if you can make that out. Now keep holding it like this. This is why it's good to wear some gloves so you don't catch yourself on the saw. Get that nut, put it over the top, tighten it up. You can see that's nicely secure. You can attach it into your Makita cordless drill. Turn it towards you with the Makita sign facing you. That's tighten. Give it one final tighten, and there you go. That's how easy it is to attach a hole saw to your Makita cordless drill. If this video helps you out, help me out by smashing the like, the subscribe, and thanks for watching.